AT versus Xfinity Home Security 2025, which one should you choose? Securing your home in 2025 can be overwhelming, but most people get this wrong by focusing only on cameras. Let's compare AT and Xfinity Home Security. AT is a long-standing provider with professional monitoring, customizable packages, and smart home integration. You won't believe what happens next. You get monitoring and alerts directly to your phone, plus flexible device options. The Xfinity Home Security integrates with Comcast services, making setup easier for existing customers. Unlike AT, it focuses on die installation with apps for monitoring cameras, door sensors, and smart locks. The surprising truth is that it offers stronger nationwide support and professional monitoring, while Xfinity is more affordable and convenient for die setups. So, which should you choose? For comprehensive professional security, AT is the safer option. For a budget-friendly, die smart home setup, Xfinity Home Security works well.